Gift card to Dunkin Donut app. In this video, you're going to learn how to add gift card to Dunkin Donut app. So let's get started. The first step is downloading the Dunkin Donut app. You can download it from App Store if you are iPhone user, or you can download it from Google Play Store if you are using Android devices. The next step is creating or logging into your account. If you have not an account already, you can create a one, or if you have an account, you can log into your existing account by using your credentials. The next step is access the payment section. Navigate to the payments or DD card section of the app. This is where you can manage your Dunkin Donuts cards and payment methods. Then add a gift card or add a gift card option may be represented by a plus icon or a similar symbol. Follow the prompts to enter the gift card number and PIN. These details are typically found on the back of the gift card. After entering the gift card information, the app may prompt you to verify the card or confirm the balance. Once verified, the gift card should be added to your Dunkin' app account. Use your gift card. You can now use the gift card balance within the Dunkin' Donut app to make purchases at Dunkin' Donuts locations or for online orders. That's all. That's how you will be able to add gift card to Dunkin' Donut app. And enjoy. That's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.